I knew this area for many years. When I was a child, I used to come here with my parents because this area has been always very beautiful and very untouched. It's super easy to come down here because you don't hear any noise, any car, any plane, nothing, so you just hear nature. I call it Villa Slow because when I come to the house, immediately I calm down. Once you come here, the time is just another measurement that what you are normally used to in the city. We come to actually slow down from the busy life of the city. So everything goes so slow. The measurements of time is very, very different. This is one of my favorite places in our house. So as you can see, it has a magnificent view. This valley, in total in the whole valley, we live 300 people. Most of the pasiegos, that is how they are called, the people that are living in this valley, they are farmers, very small industry.
Hola. Hola. Hola, pequeñitas. Menudos cuernos que tienen, ¿eh?
Stop!
What we have been learning by being here is all these cows, horses and goats and all the animals that they take care of, they only eat grass. I mean, they only eat from the land, which is very nice. But then that requires a lot of moving cows from one to another field. So in the past, all these farmers, they used to be nomads. So they had in each of the lands, they used to have one of these sheds. So they were living for the time when the cows were eating the grass, they were living there and then moving to another house and then moving to another house.
De hecho, todavía hay gente que sigue viviendo en ellas. Aquí abajo tenemos una, por donde habéis entrado, que de hecho es la típica cabaña pasiega de toda la vida, que abajo tenían las vacas y arriba vivía la gente. Las vacas eran las que calentaban, digamos, el lugar. Sí que tenían una chimenea, pero las vacas eran las que daban el calorcito y calentaban la casa. Yo, por ejemplo, he nacido aquí, me he criado aquí, entonces ves cómo las cosas se deterioran. Las vacas pues están desapareciendo. Entonces las cabañas pasiegas, pues si no les quitas pues el agua de los tejados y todo eso, pues se van cayendo, se convierten en ruinas. De hecho, por aquí hay muchas.
When I bought this property, it was a ruin actually, so it had like some pieces of walls, it didn't have any roof, so I had to dismantle everything and mount it again. So the house, as you can see, it's stone walls, so all the stone of the house is actually from the old house. It was exactly in the same position, a ruin. The roof is also stone, as you can see. It's also because all the traditional houses from here, these houses that are called casas pasiegas, they all have like a stone roof and stone walls. I think the pasiegos are very intelligent in how they place the houses. In winter, when it's sunny, we almost don't need to use any heating because the sun is providing all the heat. And in the summer, the sun is very high, so then it doesn't get in. As you can see, this house has amazing views, but in this house there is only 5 windows actually. I had not like a lot of money to build this house, so I wanted to do as less openings as possible because all the stonework that you have to do around the house is very expensive. So I said, okay, I do few windows, but very large windows.
Si hace un buen día podemos abrir todos los ventanales. Por esta hoja puedes entrar, salir, totalmente comunica con la calle.
Y ese es el sonido del torrente.
Sí, ese es el sonido del agua. De hecho ahora ves los colores, entonces ahora es el color de otoño. Si vienes en verano pues está todo más verdecito, más... Verías vacas todas por ahí.
The weather is a thing, eh? It is the most changeable weather that I've ever experienced. And it's sunny again. This is what I mean with the living landscape. When we wake up, the very first thing we do is we go to these big windows to see the landscape and say, ah. And then you always have a different landscape. Sometimes the clouds, they are very low, so you see we call it a sea of clouds, and then sometimes you are in the middle of the clouds.
Como verás, no tenemos televisión, de hecho tampoco hay cobertura de móvil. La casa, digamos que era como para desconectar un poco del mundo. Entonces, si tienes tele, ya no desconectas totalmente del mundo.
To keep the interior simple, for me is very important because it gives me a lot of peace. I wanted to make a very high space because, I mean, at the end of the day, this floor plan is very small, so the house is not very big, but it feels very, very large because of the height. I think it's also the proportion of the room is very nice, it's very symmetrical. I really took care to have like a very symmetrical plan because for me, it means that it's like a very quiet space, so it gives me a lot of peace to be in space. I don't think it's just me, but I think when an interior space is well proportioned, it gives you a lot of calmness.
De hecho, las puertas, yo cuando las vi me encantaron, porque son muy atípicas. Va hasta el techo, pero hace la forma del techo. Me encantó la forma que tenían. Sí, el baño es muy moderno. Se entra lo que es la mampara, tiene su puerta, abrimos la puerta y entramos. Wow. La ducha es una ducha abierta, de hecho, bueno, podemos taparla porque el armario está aquí escondido. La gente que entra, el armario de hecho nunca le ve, porque está escondido. De hecho, así aprovechamos mejor el espacio. Arriba está muy bien aprovechado el espacio porque tenemos un altillo pequeñito donde o echarse la siesta o...
Sí. Hay un tragaluz aquí, ¿eh?
Sí.
Qué bonito, se ve la copa del árbol.
Sí. Y en vez de mesitas, pues tenemos un tronco típico de aquí.
Entonces, ¿este lado es igual?
Sí, este lado es exactamente igual. Las famosas mesillas de noche, que son típicas pasiegas, son unos troncos grandes. Este banquito es típico pasiego, que es el típico banco para ordeñar la vaca. Normalmente te sientas para ordeñar la vaca. Sí. Entonces este es típico de aquí, de San Roque de Riomiera, o sea, de las villas pasiegas. La cocina es muy sencilla, tenemos pues eso, los típicos armarios pues para guardar las cosas. Y bueno, pues sí, que tiene todas las comodidades porque también tiene lavavajillas.
This space is very easy to read, so once you enter in the house you understand how the house works, everything is intuitively in its position. And I think when you try to do these very simple designs you have to think, I think 10 times more than when you do a very complex shape.
De hecho, esto es para proteger los ventanales y cierran absolutamente los 4.
To get all these very simple lines, you have to hide a lot of things, so you have to think everything beforehand.
Ya quedaría protegido el cristal, del tiempo, de los animales, de todo un poco.
Yeah, what I like the most of Cantabria is that you can just have outdoor plants, you know. So it's every time we come here, regardless the weather, we just go to the sea, we go to the mountains. We are always outside. It's something that when you live in a city, you really miss. And then when you come here, you can just enjoy from these kind of places on your own. I mean, look. And we are here today on our own. Yeah, I think that's something very, very beautiful of the north of Spain. That because the weather is not always good or not always sunny, it's not like a mass tourism. What I see as a future of this area, and especially after Corona, these 2 months have proven us that working remotely is easier than what we think. It's showing us how important it is to be in contact with nature. And I think a lot of people could live in places like this in the future if certain infrastructure would be provided. Oh, an eagle again. We have had so many eagles today. I think that would happen. It's gonna take a while, but I think this is gonna happen. And I hope that it doesn't get fully packed because then it's not this valley anymore. It is so beautiful. And look, wow.
Wow.
This one is the one that came last week. Do you remember the one with the broken wing? Yeah, this is a place where you can never get bored.